Region Etude number 3 from the rows 32 etudes. And in case you're wondering, the word etude is the French word for study. So 32 etudes, 32 studies. This one is in E flat major. It is in 3-part or ABA form, which we've discussed before. This is the most straightforward of the 3 etudes. Not that it doesn't have its moments. But we have 3 4-line phrases, each 16 measures long. The nastiest part, just like in our first etude, is the octave passages between measures 37 and 40, and these should be learned first and used as warm-up every practice session between now and November. There are no rhythmic tricks in this etude at all. A few tips along the way. Measure 14, use your right hand B. Measure 9, your left hand C. Look out for the E flat in measure 7 and spend some extra quality time on measure 7. It's a bit awkward and you want to make it reliable. Then measures 6 and 7, then 5, 6, and 7, and so on. Use your 1 and 1 B flat in measures 18 and 22. If it doesn't work, twist your clarinet so that the bridge key is better aligned. If it still doesn't work, put some masking tape between the 2 parts of the bridge key until it does, or take it into the shop. They can probably fix it in 5 minutes, maybe not even charge you, and then you can, I can't promise that, and then you can practice this fingering successfully from now until the audition. Measure 30 is a bit awkward and would benefit from some extra time. And then measures 29 and 30, then 28, 29, and 30, you get the idea. Remember the 1 and 1 B flat that we just discussed? Well, it's 1 and 1 E flat in measures 38 and 39 for the same reasons. They might feel funny at first if you haven't used this fingering before, but they will quickly streamline what you're asking your hands to do. We don't use these as basic fingerings. The tone quality tends to be a little different, but it saves you a lot of this with your right hand. In the suggestions from the state, they recommend this fingering for measures 25, 26, 27, and 28. That would work, but there's really no technical advantage, and it will change your tone color slightly, as I mentioned a moment ago. You can probably get away with that on single notes better than you can when there are 4 in a row like this. So learn this etude in 3 chunks. Learn it early, play it every day, treat it with respect, but it doesn't have the same terrors of the other 2. Oh, and a courtesy accidental or a note name or a highlighted note at a critical moment won't hurt any of these pieces at all, especially since you are playing from photocopies. You can do that. You can do red, you can do yellow, any color you want that will draw it to your attention. They always told us never write in music in ink. Photocopies, great. Do whatever you want with them.